The Igbo man with political power. It is an unusual kind of thing in Nigeria.
Yes.
What do you feel about the Igbo man with the presidential power in Nigeria?
Take a little bit of, let us take a little a link for this. If you look at an average Igbo man in Nigeria, all over the world, doing business, are they successful or not? They are successful. Whatever an Igbo man is interested in, they come out successful in it. They don't fail. With this, we have testosterone the northern man, we've seen their capacity. We have equally testosterone the westerner, we equally see their capacity. This
Right. Peter Obi, an Igbo man.
yes.
In the political history of Nigeria, no Igbo man has been president other than Zik, which is a ceremonial president in the First Republic. Peter Obi, an Igbo man. Do you think it's possible for him?
Now, this time around, if you watch what is going on, you know that we are not even talking about the tribe and religion. Because the insecurity in this country does not know tribe. It does not know religion. Hausa man is being kidnapped. Yoruba man is being kidnapped. Igbo man is being kidnapped. Rivers man is being kidnapped. The poverty that is in this country is even more in the north. And if you look at what is happening now, the way that is going on now, you see that the northern youth have come up to tell you that we don't want religion again. We don't want ethnicity again. We want the right candidate. And among these candidates that have come out now, we are looking at this. Peter Obi is the most credible candidate. And we even see that have something to offer. Other candidates have nothing to offer. And after 2019 election, Atiku went back to Dubai. Atiku is not in this country. He doesn't even know what is happening in this country. Now, is it Bola Ahmed Tinubu who has even more or less turned Lagos State to his personal business? Is that what we come to do? We are tired in this country. We are tired.
Okay. All right. Do you think that you will not claim ignorance of the dichotomy between the Igbo and subgroups, the Igbo subgroups? Sometimes they don't identify as Igbos.
Yeah.
Do you feel that the P2B candidacy or presidency can help strengthen the unification of the Igbos?
Beautiful.
As a whole?
Beautiful. It's a very good question. You see, this dichotomy we are talking about in the south is the political elite that created those dichotomies. And at this time, we are saying things are changing, narratives are being changed now. You understand? Now, a Rivers man knows that Igbo P2B can give us what we want, and he's supporting P2B. Akwa Igbo man, I have friends all over the southern district. I have business in Akwa Ibom. I have in Calabar. And when I go there, I interact with people. They tell you that the only candidate they have seen that can change the narrative of this country is P2B. So now we are not looking at about ethnicity anymore. We are looking at to get Nigeria better. If Nigeria is better, everybody will benefit. So the dichotomy they are talking about is just is a monster they created, the political class created, and we are saying no to it because we are getting aware of the whole thing. We are now political conscious because before, like, let me be honest with you, in the past years I have not been fully involved in the political terrain, in the political activities of this country. I think they have it's business as usual. But this time around we said no, let's come out. 2019 election, I was fully involved in my state, to look at how things go on. You understand? And we saw the whole loopholes and the way the political elites manipulate things. So that is where we are waiting for them this time around. Like now, I have my PVC. Yes, in as much as I'm from Imo State, I have changed my PVC 2019. Yes, I changed it to my state, my local government. I want to be part of it from the grassroots. So I'm there. So we are going to resist them. Any manipulation from all those political criminals we have had in the past, we are going to resist them. We did that in 2019 in Imo State. They didn't come near the collection center. That was why he saw the result we had in Imo State. In as much as they finally use the Supreme Court and all the rest of it to upturn that election. But because we are looking at credible candidates, we voted that Ihedohan because among the candidates that came out that period, Ihedohan was the better candidate. Not that he was the best, but he was better than others that came. That was why we fought to give him the mandate. But even though they upturned him from the Supreme Court, but this time around we are waiting for them. We'll do it right. If we make a mistake this time, and that's my advice to the Nigerian youth, if we make a mistake this time, we will not get it right again. Nigeria will sink.
All right. Thank you, sir. Thank you. What's your name again?
My name is Okenwuche.
Okenwuche. From where?
From Imo State.
Thank you. All right. All right. Thank you. The Igbo man with political power. It is an unusual kind of thing in Nigeria.
Yes.
What do you feel about the Igbo man with the presidential power in Nigeria?
Take a little bit of, let us take a little a link for this. If you look at an average Igbo man in Nigeria, all over the world, doing business, are they successful or not? They are successful. Whatever an Igbo man is interested in, they come out successful in it. They don't fail. With this, we have testosterone the northern man, we've seen their capacity. We have equally testosterone the westerner, we equally see their capacity. This time, we want to see from the east. Let the Igbo man use their wisdom that they have in doing their business. Give an Igbo man 2,000 naira today. If we enter the street, he will do something with 2,000 naira. If you give him 10 million, he will go out into the street. He will come up with about 50 million naira in less than a year. How are they doing it? They have something upstairs. I will believe in these people so much in this country that if anything will commit to their hand with this, with the kind of person we are having in the like of Peter Obi, a good managerial person, I believe is going to drive this country into a glorious land. And I believe he will deliver because he delivered when he was there as a governor. Go and look at his track record. He have everything in place. You want to give a power to a man, you look at his track records. When you follow the track records, this is how you check the man. If he's doing well, or be approving himself beyond reasonable that. We're all here from different political backgrounds, but we are here aligning with the Labour Party today because we believe that the man that is holding the scepter deserves it. And we know he will deliver.
You were saying in a nutshell that the Nigeria as a country is safe in the hands of an Igbo man.
Yes, 200%. I stand on my ground here to tell you that if you put this country in the hand of Igbo man, there will be capital revolution. Igbo man, you will see industry. All our brothers in the hospital, they will come back home. Look all over the world. People you are seeing doing things in the medical line, in every facet of walk of life overseas here. They are all Igbo people. Go and read history, they will tell you. An Igbo man coming to power, the Northerners, they are aware that this country is coming to a change because there will be a capital revolution. You will see industrials everywhere.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
What's your name again?
I'm Prince Praise Femena Olumu.
Okay. So now let's hit it. The Igbo man with political power.
Yes.
The Igbo man with presidential power.
Yes.
What do you see?
He can be trusted. Now, Igbo man with political power. It's unfortunate that the Igbo has been marginalized for a long time. Now, I don't want to partake or believe in the ideology that any Igbo that comes there will automatically divide the nation and bring out a Biafra. Right. The same people, let me tell you, the power to choose is in the people. So if the people choose a leader and the leader is doing something else, we can pull him out. That's the power of democracy. So I think there's nothing wrong with an Igbo man being a president. If a Fulani or an Hausa can be president and we can trust him with our vote, we can also trust an Igbo man. And he has been a governor, so he has track records. So I believe Peter Obi is a tribalized Nigerian, and he has all it takes to unite the nation and to move us to a better Nigeria.
Thank you. All right. Now, the Igbo man with political power. How will he be accepted in the Nigerian political space? It has not happened before, except in the First Republic, the ceremonial president. We all knew how, through history, how it played out. But now, the Igbo man with political power. How do you see this?
2023 is not about tribe or religion. It's about your capability. to liberate us from the valley of poverty we are currently in Nigeria. Look at us, no employment. Going to school in Nigeria is a waste of time. Those that didn't even go to school, they are doing better than the ones that went to university. Look at us, we're on strike today. So it's going to be an issue of integrity and capability. Who is going to be able to deliver us? That is why you see the youth, they are coming out en mass. You can see the rallies everywhere in Lagos, in Benue, in Nasarawa, and in Port Harcourt. The youths are coming up. That is why we must go to the villages, speak to them. That is issue of the personality, the person. Look at the personality of the person, not issue of tribe. Where has an elite led us to? Where has tribe led us to? We have had different tribes ruling us. After one tribe to the other, you secure it for your people. You continue to promote tribalism and religious fanaticism in the country. We don't need that. We need somebody that has the integrity and the capability to deliver us from the valley of poverty.
Thank you, sir. Okay. Let's make it brief. The Igbo man.
Okay.
The Igbo man with political power.
Okay.
What are we expecting?
Okay.
Because it has become unusual that an Igbo man will have a presidential power in Nigeria. What do you think? What are the rest of Nigerians expecting from an Igbo man with political power?
But I have to let's be honest to ourselves. This nation is being held by the Igbo man. We don't have political powers, but every other aspect, academics, business, the economy, is being controlled by the Igbo men. Just that they don't want us to have the political power. I don't know what reasons they have. Maybe because of the Biafran war or whatnot. But Igbo man is more inclusive. Every part of the nation, you see Igbo men. Come down here in the south or in the southeast. The northerners, even when they come here to do business, they don't even buy land. They are afraid that one day they will run back to their home. But Igbo man is the one that is more one Nigeria than every other tribe. So Igbo man, this time around, give them the opportunity. Because like I said before, they have done the same thing over and over again. The northerners, the Hausa man, the Yoruba man, the Fulani man have ruled this country over and over again. We did not improve. Igbo man is the only person that have not ruled. So, and I believe he's going to make a very massive improvement in the polity of Nigeria. So Igbo man has the key of Nigerian developing and moving to greater heights. Amen.